Hello, today I'll be showing you how to use the weekly planner I've just created. Let's not waste any time and jump right into the video. Before using it, let's duplicate the pages. Give the newly created page a name, such as Week 1, January 1, or any name you prefer. Now, choose the starting day for the weekly planner. Also, select whether the calendar view should start on Sunday or Monday. The calendar will automatically generate, and the days of the chosen week will be highlighted in bold. In the weekly habits section, you'll find spaces for 10 habits. Mark the habits you complete every day, and below, the weekly habit completion percentage and progress bar will be generated automatically. The weekly to-do list section contains spaces for 15 tasks. Similarly, when you complete a task, check the box. And below, the weekly task completion percentage and progress bar will be created automatically. Now, let's move to the chosen date for the first day of the week, January 1st, 2024. First, I write down my daily priorities, mark what I complete during the day, and the completion percentage and progress bar are generated automatically. Just below, there's the schedule section. Double-click on the start time to choose your desired hour. This way, the schedule time will be automatically generated in half-hour intervals. You can merge cells to write down tasks in the schedule section. I quickly fill in the page. That's it. This planner is easy to use, user-friendly, and offers a lifetime of usability. You can purchase this planner from the link below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.